So hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial Learning with R. In this video we will know about variables and constant in R. I hope all the previous videos you already watched and you are not having any problem in the understanding of any concepts. Okay, so today we will work with variables and constant in R. Okay, so exactly what is the meaning of the variables? So variables are used to store the data whose value can be changed according to our need, and unique name should be given to the variable like function and objects are also as the identifier. So what is the rule of the variables? So let me tell you that what is the rule. So the first rule for writing identifier or like variable in R is it can be the combination of letters, digit, period sign and the underscore. And the next thing is it must be start with a letter or a period. Like you can start with like A, B, like you can start with A or any alphabets, okay, as well as you can start with dot. And what is the last one? That reserved words in R cannot be used as the identifier. So like what is the reserved word in R, which I will tell you about that one. Okay, so like that A is a valid identifier right now. Okay, right now it is showing that object A is not found just because we are not defining A. So A is the valid identifier. So this is also a valid identifier. But what is the invalid identifier? If we give some example, so the invalid identifier. Why? Because the special character at is coming into that. Okay, so this is not a valid identifier. In the same way, if I'm starting a identifier with number, suppose like, so this is as a invalid identifier. So the best practice for identifier which everyone is doing is like that we have to use either like dot operator or underscore operator or camel case. So that's enough for to understanding about the how to assign any value to the any variable. Suppose right now A is a variable, so by using this sign we will assign the value. So right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to assign A1 inside A. Okay, so once press enter, here in the environment you can able to see the object A is created, as well as it is showing that 1 is assigned to A. Okay, in the same way, like if I am using temma is equal to 2, so by use of is equal to sign, temma having means temma containing value 2. Okay, like in the same way, if we check some like constant and like built-in constant in R, suppose letter letters. Okay, if I'm giving letters, press enter, so all the alphabet like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H till Z comes into the capital form. If I'm writing, so all the alphabets come into the small letter. In the same way, month ab will give you the all the name of month in the abbreviation form, like Jan, Feb, March, April, May, like that. And if I'm giving month, so you will get the full name of the particular month. The next example is like pi is 3.141593. From the after decimal it will having means it is having 6 digits. That's fine. This is not a best practice to use this type of constant into the upcoming practices. Why? Because suppose inside pi, if I am putting assigning value 22, so it will be changed right now. Pi, if I asking the what is the value of pi, so it is telling that it is 22. So you can able to change the value of that. Okay, so I hope you understand that what is the actual difference between and what is the meaning of variables and constant. In the next video we will talk about vectors, okay, in which I divided vector into two parts. So in the next video we will discuss about the vector part 1. Till that, do all the practices of all the concepts which we discussed till now, and if you didn't subscribe my channel till now, please subscribe it. Thanks, see you soon.